In this video, let's look at another feature of Canva. I'm going to show you how to use the DALL-E app in Canva to generate pictures for our designs. First, let's start by creating a design. Let's choose poster. Here we are with our blank poster. Now let's install the DALL-E Generative Art app by going down here to the left and clicking on Apps. Let's search the Canva app. Type in DALL-E, D-A-L-L, and that should be enough to find it. Click on DALL-E and open. And that's all you have to do. Now for creating the prompt, there are a couple of guidelines to follow. First, you should use specific, descriptive language when creating your prompt. Next, it's helpful to provide a context for your prompt. And lastly, it's useful to guide the style of your prompt. For example, if you want the image to be a watercolor image, type that in. Now, here's an example. I'm going to use a Halloween-themed prompt. Create a whimsical digital art style illustration of a small enchanting Halloween village. Picture intricately carved jack-o'-lanterns lining cobblestone streets with quaint, slightly crooked houses adorned with festive decorations. The full moon casts a soft glow over a magical, misty backdrop. So, as you can see, I was specific, I was descriptive, I provided the context of the picture, and I guided the style with a digital art style illustration. Let's see what DALL-E comes up with. Click Generate. All right, there we have it. Click on the picture that you want to select, resize, or right-click to set the image as a background, and there's our creation. Now, DALL-E doesn't always produce the desired results, so sometimes this requires experimentation. Trying the prompt, then tweaking it, changing some vocabulary. But this could be a wonderful activity for your students to practice using and understanding AI art. I hope you enjoyed this, and happy Halloween.